Hey beautifuls, welcome back to my channel today. So today, you guys, we have a mystery box. I love mystery boxes. They are seriously the best, you guys. Like, not knowing what you're going to receive is one of the best feelings ever. I don't know why, but it's just that thrill, and I just love doing these. So today we're going to be doing a really special mystery box unboxing, and I'm going to show you guys all of the products inside. But this is an exclusive, and I don't get many of these on my channel, but this is an exclusive mystery box that is only available for Subscription Sisters viewers. So I'm excited because you can't find this on their website. You cannot go and look for this or search for it. You can only gain access through my link by being one of my viewers. So this mystery box is coming from Fragrant Jewels, and like I mentioned, this is only available for my viewers. They have never done this before. This is the first time ever. They're trying it out, and I was like, yes, let me be the guinea pig. Let me show this to my viewers because I know you guys love mystery boxes as much as I do, and I think you're gonna love this one too. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. I'm gonna show you the unboxing. I'm gonna tell you all the details about it, and I also have a great deal for you. So if you're not familiar with Fragrant Jewels, this is a company that creates candles and bath bombs, and then they also create exclusive limited edition jewelry pieces, mostly rings, but they also have like earrings and charms, necklaces, things like that available. And in every single candle or bath bomb or product that you purchase from them, there will be an exclusive jewelry item in those pieces. Now, Fragrant Jewels creates collections, and there are serious collectors out there that will collect all of these pieces. But being that Fragrant Jewels has been around for a while, they've created a lot of different jewelry pieces. They've now come up with a mystery box where you can receive 4 rings inside of your mystery box. Now that is guaranteed that they will all be rings. You are not going to be receiving earrings or bracelets or necklaces in this box. So it is 4 rings. You are also guaranteed to receive 1 sterling silver ring, and the other 3 are going to be rhodium plated. Now the best part to me is that you also get a $5 coupon code with my coupon down below. So if you guys click on my link, you're able to purchase, and then you can enter my coupon code at checkout and save $5 off. But in addition to that, you can also customize the sizing on your rings. So all 4 of the rings in your mystery box will be the same size that you choose online. Now, this is a great way to try Fragrant Jewels for the first time. If you want to check out their jewelry items, this is an awesome opportunity because it's only $24.99 for this mystery box. And then if you use my $5 discount code, you get it for $19.99 for 4 rings, and one of them is sterling silver. And just to be completely transparent, because I do know there are some really serious collectors out there, all of these rings are past collections. This is not a new launch. There are not new rings inside of this box. So all of the rings that you will receive in the mystery box will have come from previous collections. But hey, if you're a collector, this might be a great way to finish your collections because you never know what you're gonna get. So inside of your box, they will all be packaged down below really well. And you're going to have a mystery grab bag with the 4 rings inside. So they're all in these cute little bubbles almost. And then all 4 rings, like I said, will be in the size that you choose when you purchase this online. Additionally, you're going to notice there's a gold piece of paper in each of these. If you are a serious collector, you already know what these are. These are going to be the codes that you can redeem online. But if you are new to Fragrant Jewels, and like many of my subscribers, were just learning about Fragrant Jewels for the first time, these are actually codes that you can enter online on the Fragrant Jewels website, and you are able then to find out if you're going to score an additional ring that could be worth $100, it could be worth $1,000, it goes all the way up to $10,000. So every code will vary, and it's just luck of the draw. You never know if you're going to win or not, but it's another incentive. When you buy this mystery box, not only do you receive the 4 rings, but you're also going to get 4 codes to enter for your chance to win too. Oh, I love that sound, you guys. So we've got our ring inside and then also that code. And like I said, you can go online, you'll enter that code in, and you'll have a chance to win another ring up to $10,000. If I'm not mistaken, you actually get to customize that ring too if you are a winner. So that's kind of cool. So the first ring that I have here is a gorgeous ring with like a navy sapphire blue. Now, these are not real gemstones. They're all going to be crystals, but it looks almost like a sapphire with that deep blue color. Is that not gorgeous? So this one is really nice because I feel like it's really dainty and just delicate. I kind of like how simple this one looks. Now, I do not think this is the sterling silver ring just because I don't see it stamped anywhere that says 925. So this must be the rhodium plated ring, but I do think it is gorgeous. So the next ring that I have in here, oh, this is pretty. So it kind of wraps around. So here is the ring, and then look at that stone. There's like every color of the rainbow in that stone. But do you see how it wraps around like a monstera leaf? So it looks like this is almost like a plant ring of sorts, but that stone is just gorgeous. The next mystery ring, oh, okay, this is my favorite so far. Out of the three we've looked at, this one is gorgeous. Look at this. Is that not beautiful? So it looks like tree branches. You can kind of see those leaves on there. And then you've got this gorgeous stone in the center. That stone has a touch of color to it. It's almost like a pink and purple, but then in the light, it looks almost green. You can see it kind of reflect in there or refract. That is really pretty, you guys. Okay, I'm gonna try this one on real quick because I just have to. It's just so beautiful. Now this one is rhodium plated again. Look at that. Is that not stunning? So see what I mean? If you are new to Fragrant Jewels and maybe you are not collecting these, maybe you just want some great jewelry, you can get rings in your size for $20. It is not a subscription. This is just a one-time mystery box. And then you're surprised with the type of rings that you have, but they are guaranteed to fit because you are choosing your size for it. And the last ring that I have in my box today is the sterling silver ring. This is hands and they're making the heart shape. Oh my gosh, look! Ah! I love that you can see the hands. That is cute. Now there are little crystals on either side of the hands. Oh my goodness, you guys. Look at the fingers, the detail. That is so cool. I love this. Now, this one is sterling silver. It's got the 925 stamped in it. Oh my goodness, the detail is amazing on this one. So again, I'm gonna put this on that way you guys can see it here, but this is what it will look like. That is so adorable. I just love that you can see all of the design and detail in those hands. So these are all four of the rings that I received in my mystery box today. I thought I would just hold them up here. That way you guys can see what they all look like. They are all gorgeous. I'm so pleased with this. I like that the stones are all a little bit different, but truthfully, the hands are adorable. I love that one. But then this other one with the tree branches is just so beautiful. Yeah, they did a really great job on these rings. So if you guys are interested in trying this out for the first time ever, like I said, you can only purchase this mystery box using my link down below. You are not able to go onto the Fragrant Jewels website and search for it. It is an exclusive thing here on my channel. So that is everything inside of my mystery box today from Fragrant Jewels. I have to say that this is a really good deal because you're getting a sterling silver ring in here for $20 after you use my discount code. Plus you're getting 3 other rings as well. So 4 rings for $20, that is a steal of a deal. I love that they're super cute. I also love the fact that you're not getting mystery sizing because that was one thing I was a little concerned about because I'm like, well, what good is it if the rings don't fit you? But because you can choose the size on these rings, I feel like this is a win-win all the way around. You're getting cute jewelry items, you're getting a good deal on them, plus they're guaranteed to fit because like I said, you're choosing your size. Keep in mind that this is limited to 3 boxes per customer. If you end up purchasing 3 mystery boxes, there is a chance you will receive duplicate rings. rings. Every mystery box will have rings put inside, but there's no way to guarantee if they're going to have similar rings or duplicates or not. So just keep that in mind, that you can order as many as you would like to. It will be capped at 3, but you could receive duplicates in those 3 boxes. So comment down below, let me know what you guys think. And again, go check this out. It is a limited time only offer, and that way you guys can try these rings out for the first time ever. But until next time, beautifuls, have a great rest of your day, and I will see you all in my next unboxing video. Bye!